Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to take a topic called the electrostatic induction. This is also one of the basic properties of charges. Yes, it is also one of the basic properties of the charges. Here we came to know that what is electrostatic induction when a charged body is taken nearer to an uncharged body, then opposite charge is produced on the nearer side of the uncharged body. Like if I take a charged body with 3e and this is what? Uncharged body. And this is charged body. Then what happened? Since it is plus, so electrons from here who is negative in charge will come close here for attraction. As we know, charges are attractive in nature. There is one more plus, so another electron will also come. One more electron will come. So nearer, as I have written, nearer side of the uncharged body, it become negative. So when the electrons moved, definitely there is a scarcity. So it means it becomes, here it is plus. Again this is also plus. And there is also one more plus. And if I make this side as earthen means 0 volt, then this all positive will go to the ground and become 0. In this way, negative will distribute it throughout the body. And this process by which we can gain charge on a body is the process called electrostatic induction. Is it right? So these are the basic properties. In the last class, one of the students told me that there is a problem with the fifth property. Fifth property was very simple. Fifth property of charge. There is a flow of electrons from higher potential to the lower potential of the same charged body with the help of a wire, or if I'll bring them in contact with each other. For example, so 4 charges are there, so this is called higher potential. There are 2, so here I will say lower potential, and there will be a flow of charge. Now you have to you have to clear that the flow of charge will continue till they both will have the same distribution of charges. After being a same distribution of charges, they will stop to flow. How we find this? There is 4e plus 2e. So here I said first you add them because it is additive in nature, divided by 2. So it's become plus 6e divided by 2 is equal to plus 3e. So here 3 and here also it become 3. So you say 3e plus 3e. This is a simple method to distribute the charges on the bodies. Clarity? So now let me take another topic today, and that is what? Coulomb's law in vector form. Coulomb's law. What is the Coulomb's law? The statement is, write down the statement. Force of attraction or repulsion. Force of attraction or repulsion produced between two charges are directly proportional to the magnitude of both the charges, and also inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. This is a statement of, once again, force of attraction. This is F, force of attraction, or repulsion, force of attraction and repulsion produced between the two charges are directly proportional to the magnitude of both the charges. So in the first statement I will write, so first let me take here, let Q1 and Q2 are two charges. Is it clear? Let me remove this. So once again, first statement, according to the first statement, I will write number 1, force is directly proportional to Q1 and Q2. Clear? Second statement, and that force of attraction and repulsion is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two. So F is also inversely proportional, 1 divided by R square. Well, let me take here, the R is the distance between two charges. Combine them, therefore F is proportional to Q1 u2 by r square. The second step, the force is the proportionality constant will come, and that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. It is not E naught. You have to say it is epsilon, where the name of this epsilon naught is permittivity. I will write it is Q1 Q2 by R square. So this is the formula of the force of attraction between the two charges. Depends on magnitude of both the charges and the square of the distance between the two. And that is inversely related. Look at that. Here it is called inverse and this is called proportional, directly proportional. The value of epsilon naught is 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12. Is it right? And how to write this one, right? So if it is Coulomb, if it is epsilon here, then it is Coulomb square per Newton meter square. And the name of this permittivity of free space or air or vacuum. So this is the Coulomb's law first, right? It will help you to find out a lot of questions and all. Let me help you this. This Coulomb's law also find the force between the two charges. Always keep it in mind, like here. So for this diagram should be like this. This is one of the charge Q and this is another charge Q2. Distance between them is known as line of joining. Maybe it is plus, maybe it is minus, right? And the line of joining can be extended outside also, but it should be always in between the two. Is it clear? Okay. And let me give you the answer of the first class, which I have already asked a question that, question of the first one, in a cup of tea, the total charge is 1 coulomb. So Q is equal to 1C and the fundamental charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Therefore, what is the number of electrons? So using by the formula Q is equal to plus minus of Ne. Here I think I have given here negative charge electron. Therefore number is equal to Q equal to 1 and E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. If I divide, I will get 6.25, 6.28 I think, into 10 to the power minus 18, which you can write 6 to, I think it's 5, sorry, 5 into 10 to the power 16 numbers, which can be possible. Yes, it can be possible. If the number will come in fraction, it is not possible. Thank you.